Just one sweet potato daily before bed will trigger these 8 things to your body. What if I told you that one simple sweet potato eaten before bed could completely transform your sleep quality, boost your immune system, and even help you lose weight while you sleep? You're probably thinking this sounds too good to be true, but the science behind sweet potatoes' nighttime benefits will shock you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the 8 incredible things that happen to your body when you make this one small change to your evening routine. And number 7 will completely change how you think about bedtime snacks. Here's a fact that might surprise you. Sweet potatoes pack more potassium than bananas, deliver more fiber than oatmeal, and contain a special plant compound that naturally helps your brain boost melatonin. But what many don't realize is that timing is everything. Eating just one sweet potato before going to sleep kicks off 8 powerful changes inside your body that work as you rest, restoring, repairing, and recharging you from the inside out. Let's dive into the 8 amazing things your body starts doing when you add sweet potatoes to your bedtime ritual. 1. Improves eye health and night vision. Sweet potatoes are incredibly rich in beta-carotene, which your body transforms into vitamin A, essential for keeping your eyes sharp and well lubricated. This nutrient enhances your vision, particularly in dim lighting, and helps prevent dry eyes. In fact, a deficiency in vitamin A can lead to night blindness or even total loss of vision over time. But there's more. Sweet potatoes, especially orange and purple varieties, are full of antioxidants that fight off oxidative stress in the retina. These antioxidants serve as protective agents against age-related eye diseases like macular degeneration. And the purple ones? They're loaded with anthocyanins, which improve blood flow to your eyes, keeping the visual system well-nourished. 2. Boosts your immune system overnight. As you sleep, your immune system goes to work, and sweet potatoes can supercharge that process. They contain a healthy dose of vitamin C, which is key to building white blood cells, the body's frontline defenders against illness. These tubers also deliver chlorogenic acid, a natural antioxidant that reduces chronic inflammation and keeps your immune system from becoming overwhelmed. And let's not overlook manganese, another hidden gem in sweet potatoes, which fuels the enzymes that repair cells and support your immunity. A study published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology revealed that daily intake of purple sweet potato leaves boosted immune markers significantly. So, you're not just feeding your body, you're strengthening your defense system while you sleep. 3. Smooths digestion and nourishes gut health. Struggling with digestion? A sweet potato at night might be the answer. Thanks to its rich, soluble fiber content, it forms a gel-like substance that slows digestion and allows for better nutrient absorption. Even better, this fiber serves as a prebiotic, feeding good gut bacteria, balancing your microbiome, and supporting regular bowel movements. With improved digestion, you'll feel less bloated, more energized, and may even sleep more soundly. On top of that, sweet potatoes contain beta-cryptoxanthin and potassium. Both help soothe inflammation in the gut and maintain healthy muscle movement in the intestines. Plus, the gut-friendly short-chain fatty acids produced from this fiber help maintain a stable pH, which discourages harmful bacteria. 4. Regulates blood sugar, even while you sleep. Unlike sugary nighttime snacks, sweet potatoes won't cause a spike and crash. They have a low glycemic index, meaning they release glucose slowly and steadily into your bloodstream. That's perfect for avoiding blood sugar dips in the middle of the night. Even more fascinating, the skin of sweet potatoes contains a compound called caipo, which improves insulin sensitivity and supports healthier glucose metabolism, making it especially helpful for those with type 2 diabetes. And don't toss the skin. That's where much of this compound is concentrated. Sweet potatoes are also a good source of magnesium, which enhances insulin receptor performance and reduces the risk of insulin resistance. Research has shown that consuming sweet potato extracts over weeks can significantly lower glycated hemoglobin, a marker of long-term blood sugar control. 5. Nourishes and heals the skin naturally. Looking for a natural skincare secret? Sweet potatoes can help you glow from the inside out. The beta-carotene in sweet potatoes becomes vitamin A, which promotes skin cell turnover and helps repair damage caused by environmental stressors like UV rays or pollution. These root veggies also supply biotin, a B vitamin that supports keratin production, the structural protein your skin needs to stay soft, elastic, and youthful. Studies even suggest that certain sweet potato varieties, like the Sinjami, help accelerate wound healing. The result? Fewer blemishes, better hydration, and a smooth, radiant complexion, all from something as simple as a bedtime snack. 6. Boosts brain function and enhances sleep quality. Sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrates, a steady source of fuel for your brain. Unlike refined carbs that lead to sugar crashes, the slow-releasing sugars from sweet potatoes keep your mind alert and stable during the day and help you wind down at night. They're also packed with vitamin B6, which plays a critical role in producing mood-regulating neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. This can help improve your mood, lower stress levels, and promote restful sleep. Sweet potatoes even contain phenolic compounds like caffeic acid, which enhance blood flow to the brain, reduce inflammation, and may help protect against cognitive decline. And for extra brain protection, anthocyanins in purple sweet potatoes have been shown to reduce brain inflammation and support memory. 7. Protects your heart as you sleep. Heart health benefits begin with potassium, and sweet potatoes are loaded with it. This essential mineral helps relax blood vessels and counteract the effects of excess sodium in your diet, leading to lower blood pressure and better circulation. Their vibrant color isn't just for looks. It signals the presence of anthocyanins and carotenoids, both powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation in your arteries and prevent plaque buildup. This helps reduce the risk of conditions like atherosclerosis and heart attack. One clinical study even showed that participants who drank purple sweet potato juice daily for 4 weeks experienced a significant drop in systolic blood pressure. 8. Supports stronger, healthier bones. We often think of calcium for bones, but magnesium and potassium are just as vital, and sweet potatoes contain both. Magnesium helps move calcium into your bones and not your arteries, improving density and structure. Manganese, another trace mineral found in sweet potatoes, boosts collagen production, which keeps your bones flexible and resistant to fractures. Also, potassium prevents the body from becoming too acidic. High acidity can cause your body to draw calcium out of the bones to restore balance, weakening them over time. A sweet potato before bed can help preserve bone strength in the long run. Let's look at who should be careful with sweet potatoes. Despite their many benefits, sweet potatoes aren't for everyone. People with kidney issues should be cautious. Sweet potatoes are high in oxalates and potassium, which may aggravate kidney problems or contribute to kidney stone formation. Individuals managing potassium levels, like those with chronic kidney disease, should limit intake to avoid hyperkalemia. People with sensitive digestive systems might experience bloating or discomfort due to their high fiber content. So, there you have it. One sweet potato before bed can boost your brain, support your immune system, protect your heart, improve digestion, balance blood sugar, beautify your skin, and more, all while you sleep. Nature packed a whole pharmacy into this one humble tuber. Instead of a sugary dessert or processed snack tonight, try baking or steaming a sweet potato with the skin on. Sprinkle a little cinnamon, maybe a touch of honey, and give your body the natural fuel it needs to heal and thrive. Your body will thank you by morning.